Hi friends. Hey, I had a great question from a student on what to do with extra artwork that has just kind of lived its life in your home. I'm going to show you how to take it apart 3 ways and make something out of it. So 3 things. So first of all, I'm going to cut this off. And we're going to make a tag out of this one. And so some thoughts. Some people might be a little horrified that I'm taking a piece of artwork and cutting it up. But here's the thing. This is something that you made. You own it. You get to do whatever you want with it. That's the best part. And sometimes when we take something and make it into something different, we learn and we grow. You're going to learn a new technique or something you didn't realize, or I don't know, maybe you just have never made a tag and now it's like, that's all you want to do is make tags. So how fun is that? All right, so I'm going to re-glue this right here. Whoops, and that came off, but I want that on there. No, why not? No, that's okay. All right, so I have this. It's pretty thick because we did this on some really nice watercolor paper. And then what I'll do is I'm going to put a hole in here. Okay, so there's that. And since this has some empty space, I think it would be really fun to not mess it up, get it dirty. Whoops. All right, but I'm gonna stamp something on here. So let me go look for my stamps and I'll be right back. So I have this fun little set of mini alphabet stamps. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They were half off, so they were like $3.25, I don't know, under $4, and they're from Stampabilities. If I can find them again, I'll link them for you. But like I said, they were on sale or clearance or something, so they might not have them. All right, so I'm going to stamp. I'm going to put Choose Joy on here. So I'm going to, it could be anything you want. You could put hello, you could put love, you could put love you. You could put whatever you want on here. All right, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit so that you don't have to watch me painstakingly find all my little teeny tiny stamps. Now that we have our little Choose Joy stamped on here, we're going to add a ribbon at the top. What I like to use are several different types of ribbon in this. So I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. So I have some tulle, and I think I'll just cut a strip of it this way. And because it has some beigey tones in here, I'm going to use some string, some jute, twine, string, I don't know. I'm going to line them up like this. And then I'm also going to add, I have had this for forever. I love it. It's old seam binding. I love the color of it. It's just a super soft kind of rosy color. All right, so I like to make like a loop knot, but in order to get all this through that little teeny tiny hole, I have discovered that I like to do this, to loop it like that, stick it through the hole, find the middle opening, and then bring all the rest of your ribbons through that loop. Okay. Oh, he's fun. I like him. I like it when they kind of floof all over the place. Okay, so I'm going to trim just a little bit. Now, this is done. This is it. It's so cute, so fun. You can always add a message on the back side. It could be used for a card. It could be used to put on a gift bag. You could just stand it up in your room and enjoy it. You could drop it in somebody's mailbox. You could use it as a bookmark. So there are multiple things you could do with this fun thing. But the best part is that you enjoy it and you've had fun. And maybe, I'm hoping that you've learned something new. So enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. And come back because I'm going to have 2 more things that we're going to make out of the remainder of this. All right. Hey, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.